In regards to our commercial clients, the financial benefit is always in the forefront of people's minds. So JK Williams they run offices there during the day, but they also have virtually around-the-clock maintenance on their machines. Yeah, there's always something happening in the workshop day and night, and obviously as a result, quite heavy energy consumption. Yeah, we put on some monitoring equipment. We're actually able to identify quite a significant waste of base load, which they didn't even know was happening. And that was occurring at night time. So with the monitoring, we were able to, in conjunction with the solar saving them a huge amount of energy during the daytime, we were also able to identify a significant amount of waste that was happening at night time and save energy and save money. More and more we're seeing the environmental benefits of interest as well. Our commercial clients, more often than not, the financial benefit will be in the forefront above the environmental benefit. But with a good quality solar system, it's really a no-brainer. They wanted to say, well, let's just touch it once, we'll put it on the roof, we know it's going to do its job for the lifespan of the equipment, and we won't need to worry about it again. The system's paid for itself in 5 years' time, and it's going to sit on the roof without any problems for another 20 years, and yeah, continue to make money. And the warranty will extend for that whole 25-year period.